with another video for these guys. Alright, right now I'm gonna see if this is the same exact holes that I need. I can see already that's the same. Should be the same. It's 21205. It goes in the car. It's gonna go in the car just like that. Exact same thing. Like I was telling you, all you have to do is loosen this up, this clamp, and that clamp right there. First of all, you gotta let the car cool down. And this is the reason why I'm changing it right here. You see that? See a little bit of antifreeze leaking out. I seen that a while ago, but I wasn't really worried about it. But this thing was only $10 from Amazon. So that's the reason why I'm changing it right there, because I already tightened this up and it's still leaking, so obviously I got to change it. Let the car cool down and take the clamps off. That one right there. I forgot what size nut that is, but you can use a flathead screwdriver and take that one off. Put the new one in and fill that antifreeze back up. Fill the antifreeze back up right here in the radiator cap. But remember, do not do this while the car is still hot. Let the car cool down, or do it first thing in the morning before you start the car or whatever. But don't take this cap off if the car's hot. You don't want to get burnt. I seen these things, just antifreeze blow out of these things plenty of times. So just don't do it with the car being hot. Let the car cool down. Alright guys, I was supposed to do that on the upper radiator hose today, but it's raining outside, so I might still do it. I don't know why I didn't turn this TV off. But yeah, I might still do it if the rain slows down. I didn't even go outside yet. I just woke up, ate breakfast. I know that it's raining outside, but I still might do the upper radiator holes. The thing is, if I start my car up, it's gonna be hot. Then I gotta let it cool down and then take it apart. So I don't know. Hopefully, it might not. I gotta check the weather to see if it's gonna be raining tomorrow. I don't know. It's been. We had a nice day, but I didn't do anything on that day. I forgot what day that was, but I'm gonna get dressed right now and see where the day takes me. I might do a food review. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I have to figure that out later. But yeah, let me get dressed and see what's going on for today. Alright, I finally made it outside. It's rainy. It's not raining right now, but the ground's wet. 56 degrees, the phone says. So, even if I wanted to do the radiator hose right now, when I get to the spot where I'm gonna do it, I gotta let the car cool down. Like I said, I don't want to get burnt with boiling antifreeze. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that today. I might do it tomorrow. As you can see, it started raining again on the way to her house. So, I don't know. I'm gonna let the car cool down. I'll do it right here. It doesn't matter to me. It's like I said, it's a real quick job. The longest thing The longest thing that it's gonna take is refilling. When you gotta refill it, you gotta get the air out of the system. So you gotta let it run. You fill it up, let it keep it running with the cap off. You keep it running probably like 15 minutes or whatever. You keep filling it up, make sure it's full, and that's how you get the air out. But yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down right here. I'll probably do it right here. I hope this car or these cars in front of me move so I can move up some more, so I can do it like under that tree right there. Um, but yeah, that's what's going on. All right. I remember I can't do it here because these cars on this main street, um, they're gonna keep passing when I'm recording, and that's gonna be really loud on the video. So I'm gonna go around the corner, see if Miguel's out here. She said he was out here yesterday. He's not out here today. So I'm gonna go to the park and knock this upper radiator hose out real quick. All right, since I had to start the car again, the car got warm. I can feel it right here. Don't tell me the rat's eating up my damn wires now. What the hell is going on here? I never had this problem. Can you see this? I think the rat's eating my damn wires up. I just noticed that because I don't really want to move the camera, but I don't know if you can see in there. You can see that this stuff is down there. Come on now. Now I gotta get the camera back in the position it was. Alright, I'm gonna open up this radiator. I got me a rag. I'm gonna open it up with the rag just in case something comes out. I don't want it to get on me. Something's definitely gonna come out. Oh, looks like we're good. Came off, no problem. Dirty ass water. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible because um, I don't want to lose a lot of antifreeze because the more I lose is the more I'm gonna have to fill. Um, gonna need a flathead. I got the swivel one, so I'm gonna loosen these up. I do need to clean around this too. So loosen them up as much as possible so I can get them off really quick. So that one's loose. This one over here. That one's all the way loose, so just twist and pull out. Taking the clamps off. That's done. Put the clamp on this one. Let me wipe this real quick. I know this is, I just put this on brand new, so, but I'm gonna wipe it down. Try to get whatever that might be around it out of there, if there's anything there. I don't think so, because it's fairly new. Slip that on. And I'm going to try to clean around this one too. Show you guys that. I'm going to clean around here. Make sure there's no rubber left from the other one, because it was leaking. So I don't want it to leak again. Wire brush is in the trunk. I don't think I really need the wire brush, but okay, that's good. Put this back. Alright, so I'm going to tighten this one. Wish I had the socket for this. Yeah, let me find out what size this is. And socket would be better for me to tighten up. So let me find that socket and that wrench, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I found it. It's a 5/16 that goes on these clamps. So what I'm going to do is finish tightening this one up right here. Got it in the position that I want it. I need to move this hose because it is in my way. I think I'm going the right way with that. They say tighten it until you can see the rubber coming out of these holes right here, poking out. I don't know, but that seems about good enough for me. I'm gonna put this one around over here so that it faces up the way I want it. And I'm gonna start putting antifreeze in there. Grab the antifreeze. This is the one that I had left over. Try to get as much in here as possible. Fill that up. So right now I'm just gonna try to get it on there as fast as I can without spilling any. I already lost some more, so I gotta add some more. Alright, so I'm gonna do this as fast as possible. Alright, it's on there. All I gotta do is tighten this up. Let the car run. enough for me. It's kind of close over here, but it's not touching, so that's good. One more turn over there. One more turn over here. So I'm gonna start the car up, let it run, and watch the over watch the radiator cap. I think the heat's already on in the car, but let me turn that on. If it's not, turn these wipers. Great, the heat's on full blast. Turn the wipers off. Keep this bottle closed. Should be good because my overflow tank is almost full. So I don't know. I'm just gonna let it run for like maybe 10 minutes and just keep an eye on this. Got to get the air out of the system. I just seen a post on Facebook. Somebody was asking why did their radiator holes blow up. Somebody said you probably had air in the system. I don't know if that's true or what. I never had a radiator hose blow up on me. I never had a radiator blow up on me either, but I know you got to get the air out of the system. So I'm going to let it run until it goes down, and I'll turn you guys back on. Alright, I've been out here for a while, and this coolant level hasn't went down yet. So I think for me filling the tube up before I put it back together, I didn't lose that much coolant. I just checked the heat in the car. It's all the way high. So just gonna put the cap back on. Because it hasn't went down. I've been out here for a while. But if it did go down, you would just add more coolant to it and wait a little bit and see if it goes down again. But I'm not getting no air bubbles or nothing. So, and the overflow tank is damn near all the way full. So I'm just gonna put the cap back on, and I'm done. I'll check it tomorrow and see if I got any leaks, but now I'm done. That's how you change the upper radiator hose on a Oldsmobile 307 engine. Blocks and blocks and blocks to watch the rocks knock bitches out the box. Alright, it's been a couple of days. I haven't checked the coolant level since I put that upper radiator hose in. I'm gonna check that right now, make sure nothing's leaking, make sure the level's still where it was at. It's right there. So nothing leaking over right here. I gotta cut this thing right here, and it doesn't look like anything's leaking right there either. I should have painted that before I put the hose back on, but I didn't have time. You see that antifreeze that was up there finally went away. It's been a couple of days, but nothing's leaking, so we're good. Job's done.